Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have October's Boxycharm. This is a little box. I mean, that doesn't mean it's not packed with good stuff. I was just pointing out, this is a little box. So October is the last month that we only have one Boxycharm. Normally we have Boxycharm, which is $21 and has 5 or so full-size products in it. And if you choose to sign up for Boxy Lux, which becomes $50, you get like 8 full-size products and it only comes quarterly. Well, now Boxycharm has added a premium box that's going to start in November. So far, I think we are just waitlisting on the email and I'm so nervous. I hope when it comes out, I get it because already just from the first spoiler, which I won't tell you here in case any of you don't want to know, I know I want it. So this is the $21 Boxycharm box, which goes to $25 as of November. And then also in November, we'll have the premium box, which will be $35. And then still quarterly, you can get the Boxy Lux, which is $50. But for right now, if you want to get the Boxy Lux, you have to keep the regular Boxycharm box. They don't have it yet, so that you can just get the premium and then quarterly get the Boxy Lux. You have to have this. So I will be having 3 Boxycharm boxes in the foreseeable future. Let's hope they're good. Let's get inside and see what we've got this month. So when I open it up, this is what I see. I have our card that'll tell me everything I need to know, and I see this product, which Boxycharm has started giving us choices. They came out early in the month and said, would you prefer this? Which this month was an iconic setting spray. I know, you guys right now are thinking, what? You didn't get the mist? I didn't. It looked like it had flecks of shiny in it, and I decided to go with this product, which we'll get into in just a second. Let's see what the card says. Boxycharm, flip over for a bigger Boxycharm. Oh, and then this is them talking about the fact that the price is going up on this one to $25. They also say that we're going to start receiving foundations and concealers. They're going to send us a little swatching thing and we're going to best match our complexion, and then we're going to tell them probably through our account what our color selections are, and they're going to start customizing foundations and concealers. I'm kind of excited about that. Plus, we get the choice now, and it's bragging about that we get to choose between 2 products, which ones we want. And they've added add-ons, which I didn't do this month because I just wanted to stay pure since I know next month I'm going to have a lot of Boxycharm, but they are $3 to $18. So this month's box is After Dark, and those are the products that I have. I am Variation 11. So I saw that, I think it was just Anne had Variation 18, so there's a lot of variations out there. So digging into this, let's just look at right away. This is the Touch and Soul Glossy Pretty Filter, and it's a glassy silk balm. And this is the box, and this is what I chose over the iconic setting spray. It's a really cute packaging. I love the way that looks. Let's see. It's super thick. It smells, it doesn't have a lot of smell actually. Let's put a little bit on my finger because I am for sure using this. And we'll rub it in and see what it feels like and smells like. It's kind of thick. I like that. It has very little scent. You know, some of the Touch and Soul products, like I love the No Problem, have a lot of scent, but this has almost no scent. It's very thick, but it does seem to be absorbing. Let's see what this says. The Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And it has a $32 value. So what I wondered when I ordered this is, do you treat it like a moisturizer or like a primer? And this only ever keeps saying priming skin balm. Okay, here we go. It says how to use. At the last step of your skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve a dewy, glowing skin. It says apply 2 to 3 times for even longer lasting wear. Well, I will be checking this out. It seems really neat. Digging right in next, I have, ooh, a very light, iconic lippy. That is what that looks like. It says that it is a lip plumping gloss, but it does not tell me the shade. Let's see if this paperwork tells me. Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. These are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The high shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. $26, and it does not tell me the color. Let's go ahead and swatch this, because if it's plumping, I'm going to be using it on these thin little lips of mine. Oh, it smells kind of minty like the plumping ones do. I'm going to look at my mirror down here. I like it. It just gave me a little more shine. It's not tingly plumping. In all fairness, I am putting it over lips, but it doesn't have that tingling plump. And it's just clear. I think that if you wore it on its own, it would just be clear, which I am glad, because I have to tell you, when I saw this color, I panicked a little bit because I am so over getting the lippies that are like concealer colored. They are horrible on me. Okay, let's see what I've got next. I have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. That is what that looks like. And it is 2 ounces. And this says, this super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of microencapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. $16. I have had, a lot. I've had a lot of these. I like it. It's not my favorite. I'm really a way girl, so I'll just set it aside. Next, I have a Luna by Luna. I guess it's in Pegasus. I think it's probably an eye liner. It looks like probably black. Let's see what this says. These highly pigmented and easy glide pencil eyeliners are perfect to create a full lash line or playful colored look that lasts all day. Luna eye pencils are available in 2 gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. Well, this is clearly the black one. They are 24-hour wear to ensure that just after one application, your look will stay all day. $16. Not opening it. I don't use black sharpening eye pencils. The only place I do is right along my lash line, and I have a lot for that, so I will set that aside. And last but not least, I have, nicely wrapped, the Dose of Colors Baked Browns eyeshadow. This is one of those situations where in the perfect world, I would have gotten the mauve one or the berry one because I'm so cool, but I have seen these browns out there and they are very pretty. And over at Gab and Glam, she just did an eye look with this. You should definitely go check her out, Gab and Glam. And it was gorgeous. Oh, it is a very pretty brown palette. Let me show you. That's what it looks like. They're just really pretty colors. I like them a lot. And I love that they go from light to dark so that you can, it's not shiny. So I can do everything that I need. They actually all look matte. They all look matte. So I can do a full eye look out of this because they go from so light to so dark. So I am really happy about that. Let's swatch them and we'll see. Oh, they feel super creamy. There's definitely some kick up. I'm going to show you this. I'm just gently rubbing my little hand around. And let me show you. I think probably you can best see in the white that just, can you see that just from putting my little finger in there? It really kind of, but there, wow, they are gorgeous colors. Those are those 4. You can barely see the light one, which is perfect because I just kind of use that as an all over to cover up my paint pot. And then these 3, and then I couldn't have enough fingers to get the super dark one. So let me get that. Oh, wow, that is a brown, chocolatey brown. Nice. Those are really pretty colors. I mean, they are brown and they are kind of basic, but I have to tell you, I wear a brown eye a lot. Speaking of which, from my Ipsy Ultimate box, if you watched me unbox that, I got the Real Her 3 palette, and that's what I did my eyes with today. There's a lot of talk online about there's not a lot of color to it, and I will say that it is absolutely color that you have to build. It's not just like these, I suspect, are going to be dip in a little bit, great coverage. I had to keep going back for the Real Her, but I don't mind that because I tend to be a little shyer with shadows, so I don't mind taking the time to build it out, but I liked it. This, though, is a gorgeous palette. I'll be wearing that in a video soon, and I will be sure and point it out when I do. So let's see what the paperwork says about the eyeshadow. The Dose of Color Eyeshadow Palette 5-pan Matte Eyeshadow Palette Set. See, if I'd read this, we would have known right away they were all matte. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. I believe that. It is a $32 value. So this alone pays for the cost of the box. The box was $21. And then I also have this cool new Touch in Soul Glassy Primer Balm to try. The Briogeo leave-in conditioner, this black eyeliner, and this plumping, which I can still feel the mintiness of. It's not like crazy mintiness, but it is definitely there. And I like the way it feels. I think I've said in one of my other videos, I actually prefer the pepperminty minty feel on the lips versus the ones that smell like cupcake. I prefer this. Also, thank you so much to you guys who have pointed out the change in my hair and said nice things. I got a beach waver. You know, I've used a curling iron all of my life, and you use it in what? The beach waver was a QVC Today Special a few days ago, and I thought, what the heck? And I am loving it. I have, you guys know, crazy stick straight hair. I mean, it does not even think about waving. For years, I've used a curling iron. I'll curl my hair. 2 minutes later, my mom used to get my hair so tight that when she took it out, I looked like Shirley Temple. And by the time I walked out the front door to school, it was flat. I had these curls that I put in like this yesterday. I had them all day. I love it. So anyway, I just thought I would mention that. It's the beach waver for those of you who are saying, oh man, I love your hair. Thank you. It's the beach waver. Okay, back to the Boxycharm. My total value for this month's Boxycharm was $122. Wow. That added up quickly. But I guess just in these two products alone, I have 64, so is that right? That doesn't feel right. It is right. I just checked again, and it's absolutely right. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you being here. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon.